In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Capcut quality. If you're struggling with getting clearer, sharper videos from Capcut, you've come to the right place. Just follow along with these steps, and we'll improve the quality of your finished projects together, making sure your videos come out looking their best. First things first, you'll want to open your project in Capcut. Once you've got the app open and your project loaded, it's time to dive into the exporting options. Go ahead and tap on the export icon, which you'll find conveniently located in the top right corner of the screen. This is where some important magic happens in getting your video quality just right. Now let's talk about settings. One crucial part of achieving high quality video is making sure you've set the resolution to either 1080p or 4K. Depending on your needs and the capabilities of your device, you can choose the one that suits your project best. Generally, 1080p is fantastic for most uses, but if you want that extra crisp detail and you have the resources, 4K is the ultimate choice. Next, set your frames per second or FPS to 60 if you need that smoother motion in your video. Higher FPS can make your video appear more fluid, but use it as needed considering the type of content you have. Before you hit that final export button, pause for a moment and check the quality of each individual clip you've used in your project. You want to avoid any blurry or low resolution files. This step is key. Sometimes poor quality in one clip can diminish an otherwise flawless project. If you find any clips that aren't up to par, try to replace them with better quality versions. If that's not possible, you might consider some creative edits to minimize the impact of those lower quality sections. Now that everything is polished and checked, it's time to export and preview your final video. When you export it, take a moment to review the whole piece from start to finish. Make sure that everything looks as good on the big screen as it did in the preview. This final check can help ensure you didn't miss anything and gives you a chance to experience your work as your audience will. And that's it. By following these steps, your Capcut project should now come out looking crisp and professional. Remember, great video quality doesn't just happen at the final stage. It's a series of thoughtful steps and attention to detail that makes it all come together beautifully. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy creating your amazing videos.